Here we have the lovely Kaiser AT6438F Echo. It is one of the nicer, more affordable extractors that we make as part of the Grand Chef lineup. It is available both in this lovely 60 cm version or 80 cm as well to cover wider hobs or range cookers. And it has this lovely intelligent touch control system where you can control the LED lights or the 1, 2, and 3 stages, or you can set a timer so that it will automatically turn off whenever you're done cooking and you like to let it go and continue to run. Now, this specific extractor has a very good motor that operates at around 910 cubic meters per hour. That is, of course, if you're ducting it outside, which is what we recommend. But if you can't use that, we have the Odour recirculation method that utilizes charcoal filters that go over the motor. But that does reduce the suction to about 820 cubic meters per hour, but I wouldn't worry about that. It is definitely sufficient. So this extractor also opens up and you're able to take out the lifetime metal grease filter that you can of course throw in the dishwasher once every 2 or 3 months to make sure it is clean and operating at the highest possible capacity. Of course, the charcoal filters you can get from us. There is one set, of course, that come in the box, but we recommend to change them every 1 or 2 years. This extractor would also match very nicely with the rest of the Grand Chef lineup, or perhaps even Avant-Garde Pro or Le Pearl, where we have a wide variety of different range of hobs, from gas to electric to induction to ceramic, or we have a selection of range cookers that the 80 cm could work with as well. And with that, I look forward to having you as our esteemed customer.